Ready to share your passion with the world in real time? Here's exactly how to go live on Kick using just your mobile phone. First things first, make sure you have the Kick app downloaded and you're logged into your account. If you don't have the app, search for Kick in your device's app store and install it. Once you're in the app, look for the Go Live button. It's typically a prominent camera icon, often located at the bottom center of the screen. Tap that to begin your streaming journey. Now, you'll see your streaming setup screen. This is where you personalize your broadcast. Start by giving your stream a catchy title that tells viewers what to expect next. Choose a relevant category for your content. This helps people find your stream more easily. Before you hit that final button, check your camera and microphone settings. You can usually choose between your phone's front or rear camera to showcase what you want. Make sure your microphone is enabled so your audience can hear you clearly. With your title, category, and camera ready, you're almost there. There might be other options depending on your device, like selecting a specific stream quality or adding an overlay. But for a quick start, these are the essentials. Finally, tap the Go Live button. A short countdown might appear, and then you're officially broadcasting live on Kick. Your viewers can now join, chat, and interact with you in real time. The key to a great live stream is engagement. Keep an eye on your chat, respond to your viewers, ask questions, and create a welcoming atmosphere. The more interactive you are, the more your audience will enjoy your content and keep coming back. And that's it. You're now equipped to go live on Kick from your mobile phone. So grab your device, share your passion, and start connecting with your community today.